Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to animate images in Google Flow step by step. If you have a still image and want to turn it into a moving AI-generated video, this guide will walk you through the process. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the official Google Flow website. Sign in with your Google account, then open an existing project or create a new one by clicking *** new project ***. Once you're inside the project workspace, look for the option to upload or add a reference image. Depending on the latest version of Google Flow, this may appear as Upload Image ***, Reference Image ***, or a similar option. Click it and select the image you want to animate from your computer. After the image has been uploaded successfully, write a prompt describing how you want the image to move. For example, instead of simply saying, "Animate this image," you could write, "The person slowly smiles while the camera moves forward, the wind gently blows through the hair." And the background trees move naturally in the breeze with cinematic lighting. The more detailed your animation prompt is, the better the AI can understand the type of movement you want. You can describe facial expressions, body movement, camera motion, lighting changes, weather effects, or object animations to create a more realistic result. If Google Flow provides animation settings, review the available options before generating the video. You may be able to adjust the video quality, aspect ratio, motion strength, or animation style depending on the features available in your account. Now click the **generate *** button and wait while Google Flow transforms your still image into an animated video. The generation process may take a few minutes depending on the complexity of your request. Once the animation is complete, preview the video carefully. Check whether the movement looks smooth and natural. If you're not completely satisfied, edit your prompt by adding more specific instructions or changing the type of movement, then generate another version. After you're happy with the final animation, save your project so you can continue editing it later if needed. If your version of Google Flow includes an *** export ** or download ** option, use it to save the animated video to your computer. And that's how you animate images in Google Flow. With a high-quality reference image and a well-written prompt, you can easily turn static pictures into realistic AI-powered animations. Thanks for watching.